Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do luxury unboxing, fashion and makeup, skincare hauls, travel vlogs hopefully someday, as well as I will give you an update on how you can purchase the hard to get bags and small leather goods at the Louis Vuitton website. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as well as kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell all the way up so you get notified when I upload next time. I promise you, you will not regret subscribing. If you didn't get the chance to watch my previous video, I will link it below. I promise you, it's worth watching. Okay, let's do the unboxing. As always, I've already removed my personal information. Here it is. As usual, no ribbon. And wow, ta-da! A real envelope. Let me just put this away. Okay, so this is the proof of purchase, the return label, the receipt, the thank you card, and the instruction on how to return it. And any idea on what this one is? Any guess? If you've been following me, you already know what this one is. Yes, it's another mini pochette accessoire and damier event. Okay, this is what it looks like in the front. On the side, on the other side, and this piece was made, oh wow, okay, mine, this is also made in France. I hope you can see it. If you've watched my previous video, my stamp was actually red, so I guess nowadays they're doing it the same color as the coated cowhide leather. I don't know, I actually like this one. So far there's no hairline scratches or tarnishing. Let me show it to you. There's no hairline scratches or tarnishing on the zipper. Let me check, guys, first the stitches, because I've seen several photos on the Instagram. They were actually complaining on the quality of this canvas. So I just want to make sure that this is actually in perfect condition if I will keep it. Let's try the zipper, because you know me and zippers. Okay, there's a little bit of pressure. As always, it comes with this too, the textile card and the item code number. The date code on this one is SF3200. This is what it looks like inside. And I noticed that the canvas is actually sticky. If you notice that my hands are very dry, I don't put any lotion when I touch any of my Louis Vuitton because I'm very careful with my purse or my bags. So, but it's just weird that the canvas is quite sticky, and it's not normal for a brand new piece to have that sticky canvas. Let's do a comparison. The new versus the one that's mine, which is the old one. Again, like I said, I never used any of this. I've been using my mini pochette accessoire and the Damier Zuber. This is actually mine. This is what it looks like in the front. And on the side. And on the other side. And this is the stamp that I'm talking about. It has a red stamp right there. And the coated cowhide leather. Both are actually made in France. Again, let's test the zipper on this one so we can see the difference. Now, do you see the difference? No, I have not used this one, not even once. The last time I actually touched this one was when I filmed my third video. That was the last time I actually removed this from my closet. Like again, this too is still inside, and this is what it looks like inside. The date code on this one is SF0220. Again, it's SF0220. So I told you this is an older one and this is the newer one. So let's compare. Again, the zipper, this is an A+, and this is highly questionable. Let me put this one inside. Okay, right here, the canvas on this one is actually very smooth, while this one is a little bit rough. Again, let me show you how the difference of the canvas of this one. This is actually mine. I hope the camera picks it up. Okay, let me just do it this way so you can see it probably better. And let me show you this one. This is actually the new mini pochette. Okay, about the color. Oh wow. Okay, now my eyes, I'm actually wearing eyeglasses right now. I'm not wearing my contacts. But do you see the difference? This is mine. And this is the new one. But do you see the checkered pattern? Or is it just me? That the older version, the checkered pattern, you know, the dark brown is actually more darker than the new one. Let me just switch it. Maybe it's just the lighting. Nope. It's not the lighting, it's just this. Okay, this is mine with the red stamp. Let me put it back right here. And this is actually the new one. Okay, I really like that they put this kind of stamp instead of the red one, but the zipper is just something else. Okay, there you go, there's the pressure. Okay, I'm not going to ruin this. And the stickiness on the canvas in this one is just so weird. I'm scared that if I will keep it, the stickiness will just get worse. Okay, this one has no stickiness in here. It's very dry. But this one, it seems like there's like a moisture. It's sticky. And the fact that the zipper is worse, there's like a pressure in it. It's supposed to be buttery smooth, and the canvas is not supposed to be sticky, especially it's brand new. So I'm really torn. I want to do a giveaway when I hit another milestone, and I want to give a mini pochette in this canvas, but I'm very torn because this doesn't pass my inspection. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as well as kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell all the way up so you get notified when I upload next time. I promise you, you will not regret subscribing. Again, thank you for spending a few minutes of your time with me. I'm so grateful and thankful for all of you, and I will see you very soon. See ya.